We checked out of our hotel and now we're headed to the outlet mall. We have quite a bit of time to kill before we can check into our house. We're going to check out the Disney character outlet. Are you excited to do it, Craig?
Yeah.
Craig's mostly excited about eating in the food court, right?
Yeah.
Here we are. Craig's been excited about going here. So have I. Let's see what we find.
Wow. Disney character warehouse. Did you miss me?
I bet it did.
Mickey Mouse is blue.
Oh, he's cute. What's he supposed to be? Robin Hood?
He's supposed to be Peter Pan.
Oh, Peter Pan. Yeah, I see the ship now.
Hi, I'm Hades, Lord of the Underwood. How are you doing?
It looks very good. What do you think?
Tastes good.
Good. It looks really good, and I tasted a little bit, and it has a good flavor.
Dingleberry, berries, gummy bears, gummy crickets, Mama.
Remember when you tried a cricket?
Yeah.
You want to buy some more?
Well.
Do you? You want to
Yeah.
eat? You want to eat more crickets?
What? No.
Oh, okay.
It'll spoil me appetite.
Oh, you wouldn't want to do that.
I don't want to do that.
Give me an honest review of your. No, wait. Give me an honest review of your lunch.
The chicken tastes spicy. But they made a mess out of it. I tried the fries. They taste good. I give it 2 thumbs up on the chicken, 5 stars, and a Cricket Bamboo silver approval.
But I'm not sure you really do, because you weren't really all that fond of the chicken. That's okay.
You only ate one of the 3 pieces. You only ate about 4 fries. Yet you're saying it's super good?
Yep.
Craig's just a nice food critic. Craig, give me an honest review of this outlet mall.
This outlet mall has no Wi-Fi in it, no passwords. I give a thumb down on this.
Okay. There's an honest review from Craig. Right, Craig? It's always one of our first stops.
Some Captain Crunch? No, there's diabetes in it. Honeycomb? Well, honey gramos. What? Perhaps I should have honey gramos. Honey
Okay.
O's.
Yes? Those sound like a good choice. You haven't had those for a while either. All right.
Must be scoop big. Someone's in.
We're going to be there for a while.
Whoops.
Oops.
Oh.
That one. You going to put those away? Those back? Good job, Craig.
Bother.
It's all right.
It's
There you go. Good job.
on me. That's
Sir? Is yours? Yeah, sure. Oh, okay.
Maybe I can use this to my advantage.
On to Publix.
Yep. Maybe I can use this to my advantage, Mama.
What, the black button on the door?
Yeah.
Maybe. Did you get here? What year did you get it, Craig?
1999.
And what did you get?
A Tigger toy and 2 Michigan J prawns.
You can buy pizza dough to make your own pizza. That would be fun. Bagels for the morning.
They're from the UK in commercials. Have you have your Weetabix?
Do you want to try them?
No, thank you.
And finally, it was time to check into our house. I'll give you a little tour. This is the dining room and the sitting room.
No TV in this room, so that's
Yeah, there's
kinda
no
nice.
TV in this room.
If you want some quiet.
That leads to upstairs. I like some of the decorating. Some of the decorating's just a little too much for me,
Oh, that's it.
but it's all right. And this leads into, this is a nice little room off the kitchen where you can sit and watch TV. I like this a lot. And then this is the kitchen. I think the kitchen is nicely decorated. There is a Keurig and a regular coffee pot and a tea kettle and a toaster. So that's good. We'll use all of those. There's a blender. Lots of Disney decorating.
There's some coffee cups I can use.
Yeah. They have a lot of nice coffee cups in the cupboard. And then over here we have a pantry, which we've already started stocking. Little dining table here.
2 freestyle cups.
And the pool back here. We've had nicer pools when we stayed at places, but I mean, this will do the trick. This is not the cleanest looking, and there is a hole back there behind the hot tub. But I'm sure we will still have a lot of fun out here. It's really nice because some of the former renters have left some pool toys. So that will be great. The grandchildren and children and probably me too will enjoy those. Craig probably won't spend a lot of time in the pool. He's usually not interested. And go back here. This is one of the bedrooms. One of the reasons I picked this house is because there were 3 master bedrooms and we have 3 couples, so everyone gets a master bedroom with a bathroom right next to it. This is the bathroom that goes with this one. That's pretty nice. I do notice a lot of things about this house that are in disrepair, but I also know that it's hard to keep these places looking up to date and spick and span because some of the renters don't take care of them. There's a nice place to do our laundry, and this is a big reason why we chose this house is this playroom. And I think the girls are going to have a blast in here. And there's foosball. There's air hockey. There's a foosball table. There's some basketball. And then this adorable playhouse in here, which I love. I can't wait for the girls to play in this. They'll be here tomorrow, but not until late. And then there is another play area up there. Now we'll go upstairs. This is kind of cute. Put little decals there. The carpet looks like it's seen better times. I'm just not a fan of carpet though. There's some Disney statues up here at the top of the stairs.
It's not 1982, Mama.
And this is the room Craig has chosen, I believe, right?
Yup.
Is this your room?
Yup. It's my room, Luna.
I thought he'd choose the Mickey Mouse room, but I think he likes this room better.
Yep. The Cars room.
The Cars room.
And you said it's gotta have cable TV.
Right. What does it have?
Streaming devices.
Yeah, Craig likes this because It has a streaming device. It's a smart TV. So he has just about every option he needs for watching, right?
Yep. Yep.
That's cute. I made this to look like it's a toolbox. And you have a huge closet. That's big. It's got a big walk-in closet. It has some extra bedding in there, it looks like. But I think this is a pretty cool room. Right next to Craig's room is a room that Joe and I will be sharing. It has a baby bed in it. But maybe we can move that into the room down the hall where Stephanie and Dusty will be staying. It's nice, it's on wheels. And then in here is a nice large master bath. It also has a walk-in closet. I don't know if it's as big as Craig's is though. It has a little room for the toilet, which I like. Nice shower. And then over here is the bathtub.
Look at them, look at them. They're all tuned. Look at them. Look at them.
What do you think, Craig?
Wow, not bad.
This is the bathroom that Craig will be using. I can't figure out how to get the light on in here, but this is the bathtub and the shower. Cute little Mickey Mouse shower head. Okay, we come out here and we go down the hall. And the first room we come to is the Mickey Mouse one, which I really thought Craig would choose this room, but I think he likes the TV in the other room. And that's why he chose that one, because he was in this room. But this is very cute. And this room, it has a nice larger closet, extra bedding. And there's a porta crib back there and a rail for the bed. And we come out of this room, go around the corner, and here's the room the girls will be staying in, at least Olivia. I'm not sure about Josie. I don't know if she's really old enough to stay in this kind of a bed. Probably not. She'll probably sleep in the crib. But this is the room. I'm sure they'll love playing in it. Has a TV up there. It has a nice big closet with some extra bedding. There's a little bit of disrepair on the border and some of the pictures, probably from other guests. I know it's probably hard for these people that rent these out to keep them looking perfect because renters do damage to them. Here's a nice little place you can set up your laptop. It even has some USBs on the desk. I will probably be doing that. And here's the linen closet. We might be cutting it close on towels, but we do have a washer and dryer. We can wash them every day. This is the room that Stephanie and Dusty will be sleeping in, which is great because the girls' room is right across the hall. And then this is probably the smallest closet in the house. I'm not sure why. This must have originally been like a twin bedroom, but it will definitely work well for our vacation. And that's it. I think we're going to have a lot of fun here. These are all the goodies we bought at Honeydukes and Universal Studios. We have some caramel apple fudge, some coffee. This is a caramel apple caramel. This is coffee caramel This is butterbeer fudge. This is a pumpkin pasty.
Pastry.
And this is a ginger newt, but it got broken in our bag. So we are going to try these, right, Craig?
Right.
Which one do you want to try first, Craig?
The butterbeer fudge.
Okay. That was a big bite.
Tastes like butterbeer to me.
Okay. What are you going to try next? That's the coffee fudge. Or it's a coffee caramel. Okay, how was that one? Do you like it?
No.
No? Okay. No coffee caramels for Craig. Okay, I'm gonna try that caramel apple. This here. Okay, and then put the other half down. Does it taste like caramel apple? You taste the apple? Do you
Yeah.
like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, time for the pumpkin pasty or pumpkin pasty.
Pastry.
Okay,
Pastry.
Craig's calling it pastry. All right. How was that?
Tastes like pumpkin pie.
Okay. And one last thing, the ginger newt cookie.
Tastes like gingerbread man.
Okay, so which one of these treats did you like the most?
The butterbeer fudge.
I'm going to share my opinion with you about these treats from Honeydukes. The fudge does not taste like butterbeer. It tastes okay, but it tastes nothing like butterbeer to me. The apple caramels are delicious. They're my favorite. The coffee caramel is good. The pumpkin pasty or pastry tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. And the ginger newt cookie tastes like really good gingerbread. I would buy all of these again, but my favorite again is the apple caramel.